been meaning to do one of these videos for a while. Just hadn't had time. And YouTube keeps recommending that I do like an about me video or something like that, or something about my channel. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Kind of explain who I am and what I do. But pretty much started this channel. I've had this channel for a long time, but I actually started using it probably around 2022. And it was pretty much in-scale trains. And I was big into trains at the time, but they're so finicky and picky and everything else. I'm like, well, let me get out of that. Before all that, though, I was like a big-time model car builder. I love model cars. As a kid, I had a couple of remote control cars, but it didn't last very long because my parents really couldn't afford it. But my dad was a model builder back in the late 50s, early 60s, and he had a lot of cool cars, and he kind of got me into that hobby. So I did model car building for like 30 plus years. I still have a lot of them around. A lot of my finished ones I still have, here in my room, and then I have all kinds of boxes and parts out in the shop and everything else. But that was my passion for a long time. And one of my 18-wheeler builds I did, it was a European truck, and it actually made it in a magazine across the pond. So I thought that was kind of cool. They really enjoyed that. And then I got a decent job back in 2022, and I'm like, you know what, I kind of afford RC cars now, so let me get back into the swing of things. Now, technology's changed and everything else. So I kind of got back into that and kind of blew up with it. I started having a lot of fun with it. I started filming it. So my passion really is RC cars and filming. I have a lot of fun with it. I'm not the best at filming or editing or anything else. Most of my videos, I sound very monotone in them because it's just me. I'm the real me. I'm not trying to put on a show. I'm not trying to, hype everybody up. I'm just being myself. But let me show you around the room and show you what I got. So here's my work area. I'm actually working on a video for that right now. I'm actually trying out a motor for somebody. That video should be up on October 4th. And then those parts bins, they used to be all model car parts. Now it's all RC parts. But this is my little workstation. I built it just out of scrap wood and whatever I had laying around. And I got the shelves up here with all kinds of knickknacks and RC cars. And my Godzilla collection. So I'm a Godzilla fan. And I got paints and glues and other stuff over here. Lubes and oils. Down here I got my
Awesome! Hey, there's even a fridge! This is great! You can put 6 packs of soda in here, milk, yogurt, you can put candy bars in the freezer.
Anything that you want to keep cool.
And right there's my dog. That's her bed. That's where she lays. I got more parts there, more RC cars over here, and then a lot more on the wall right here, along with some Hot Wheels over there. Got some die casts over here. My room's getting full, but I am taking some of the stuff to swap meet so I can make room for other stuff. I do have all the parts in for this, so I'm about to start working on that RC10. And then I'm also collecting parts for the crawler for a future build. I'll be working on that pretty soon. And over here's more cars, more parts. And my PS5, I'm also a gamer. I got GTA 5 I play, and Gran Turismo. My TV. Got my remotes behind the TV. Well, that's just me pretty much in a nutshell. I mean, now you know more about me, and I'll keep doing this for a long time, whether my channel does good or not. I'm not monetized. I do have some affiliate links, and a couple of people will reach out to me, and I'll do reviews every now and then. But I make no money from this. I just have a lot of fun doing it, and that's what you should do. Don't worry about money or anything else. If you enjoy doing it, just do it, okay? Don't let anything stop you. Don't let anybody tell you it's bad or wrong, anything like that. Just have fun and do it. But guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.